Now, I personally believe even a cast iron boiler should have maintenance done every year. But you're not having a $400 maintenance every 2 years. You're having a $169 maintenance. What? All right, $179 maintenance done every year, which also gives you a maintenance agreement. And one thing else we do, different when we do in our boiler maintenance, any part that we change, we offer a lifetime warranty on our parts. You have your maintenance done. I put a $300 control in. I will warranty that forever as long as you have your maintenance done. So that's something I don't know anybody else around here is doing. I don't think they have the cajoons to do it. I do. And
as your feel, I know maybe a couple years ago you would say that, is it better to be more efficient? Are you leaning more towards the more efficient units?
I'm getting there. Maybe because my competition is pushing them more, and I don't want to say I'm sick and tired of trying to go against the grain, but these people are sold on these high efficiency units, and at this point I'm not going to argue over it because it's not going to hurt them.